Okay, I want to basically get into a little comparison between Milwaukee and Snap-on's pivoted roto head ratchets. Both of them are 72 tooth count. As you can see, Milwaukee only makes this ratchet in a 3/8 drive version. So as you notice, the head is a 3/8 anvil, and on the Snap-on, which is also a 72 tooth, is a 1/4 inch. The Milwaukee 3/8 is basically built on the same body of a 1/4 inch body, and the shaft of the ratchet basically goes to the last letter E on Milwaukee in the handle. Um, Both of them are basically a fairly decent size ratchet with a nice tooth count. Both of them are 360-degree swivel pivoting that could also be used as nut drivers. Also on the Milwaukee, as you can see at the end cap, it has its drive measurement, which is a 3/8. The Milwaukee handle is basically made of two materials, which is like a hard plastic and a rubber grip. Not as soft as the Snap-on comfort grips, but it fits nice in the hand. So this is just a little overview and comparison of the two. Both of them are 72 tooth count. Okay. Just a little quick view. Okay. Peace.